Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.